How to become a seller on Temu. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can become a seller in Temu. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you want to become a seller in Temu, there is a catch. So just open up Temu seller. You can search for Temu seller here. And whenever you search for that, you'll find a website. So the website doesn't seem to be here. So let me edit something on the search bar. So let's change this and type in Temu partner. So right here, whenever you search for Temu partner, you will actually become a service provider. And much more specifically, it can sometimes only be a software provider. So just tap on account here. You can create the account. You can type in your email address, your password. You can use a really strong password. So let me type that in. And after you type the password in, you will then need to tap on the send code button right below. So let me edit the password a little more. And there we go. Now tap on the send code option, after which you will be getting a code on your email. So let's head over to our email. Open up your email and there we go. There is our email's verification code. Simply paste that in. After you paste that in, tap on create and you'll have created your Temu's partner website, partner account. From here, you can choose what you want to become, an independent software vendor or a self-developed application seller. So choose whichever you want and then you'll need to choose if you're a local seller or if you're not a local seller. So here you can see there are several options. So if you choose on cross-border seller, you will get this in Chinese, which I'll just cross this out and choose a local seller option, then tap on next. Now you'll need to log in again, confirm of authorization, and then log in. After you log in, you'll have created your account and you can start using it as a seller. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.